Your iPhone got frozen, stuck on Apple logo, or completely unresponsive? Just don't panic. In this beginner friendly guide, I will show you exactly how to enter iPhone recovery mode when your iOS device is stuck in this step-by-step guide. Also, I will introduce you to the Tenorshare ReiBoot, a powerful tool that can help and fix 150 plus iOS issues without data loss. Whether you are a beginner or just stuck right now, this video has got you covered. Without wasting any time, let's get your iPhone back into life. So without wasting any time, we will be using the right tool for the right problem, and this time it's gonna be the ReiBoot #1 free iOS system repair and recovery software. As the Tenorshare ReiBoot is supporting iOS 26, and also by using this application you can also upgrade your iPhone to the latest version, or you can also downgrade to the previous iOS 18 without jailbreak and iTunes. You can also free enter to recovery mode with just a simple click, and also you can fix 150 plus iOS issues such as resolve Apple logo, black screen, etc. without data loss. You can also backup and restore iPhone in just a couple of minutes, and also you can reset iOS device factory without passcode or iTunes. You can also permanently erase your data in case if you are selling your iPhone and wanted to erase it completely so it should never be restored. And also you can fix iTunes errors such as 4013 and 110 instantly. This application is available for Mac and Windows. I'm mentioning downloading in the description. You can simply download it from there. After downloading, as you can see, this is a very friendly interface as we have got all the options on the screen. The first one is recovery mode, which is completely free as you don't need to buy any paid version. Then we have iOS upgrade and downgrade version, one click reset, by which you can reset your iPhone with just a single click, data backup or restore. And we have got some other features as well, as this is also a paid version which will cost $24 a month and $51 a year. Definitely I'll prefer the year version, and if you want a lifetime license, that will be $89.95. And the best thing is that you can try this application for free up to 7 days. So just buy one of the version, give it a try for the next 7 days, which will be a free trial. If you don't like it, you can simply cancel your subscription at any point, but make sure it should be under 7 days of your purchase date. Let's get back to the applications. So first of all, make sure your iPhone is connected. As you can see, my iPhone is stuck on the iPhone logo, so let's just enter into recovery mode. As you can see, connect your iPhone, simply click on enter. It will automatically take you to iPhone into recovery mode, and you can see our iPhone is now into recovery mode. To exit that, click on exit. It will take a couple of minutes and it will bring back your iPhone to life. As you can see, iPhone has just been completely fixed, and I think it will just take maximum 2 minutes to fix the issue. If the recovery mode doesn't work on your iPhone, then you have got another feature which is called iOS system repair. Click on it. The first one is standard repair and the second one is deep repair. I'm sure the standard repair will definitely do the job and you wouldn't even lose your data. So I'll simply try the standard mode. As you can see, once you click on it, it will ask you to download the firmware file. It might take some time, obviously it depends on your internet speed. Once you download the firmware file, make sure your iPhone is still connected to the PC or Mac. As you can see, we have downloaded the firmware package 26.2 iOS update, which is obviously a file. So I'll just simply click on start standard repair. It might take a couple of minutes, as in my case it took about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just speeding up the video just to save some of your time. And after completing it, you will see on the screen standard repair confirm. So just click on done. Your iPhone will get restart, and then it will definitely back into life and you will be able to use your iPhone just like before. As you can see, I just need to download all the applications, but every single data would be there. It just delete the applications from my phone to fix issues. As you can see, I've got 2 photos which I have downloaded a couple of days ago and it's still there, which is the proof that not any single file will be deleted, and you would be able to fix your iPhone at your home without having any technical knowledge. I'm mentioning the downloading of the Tenorshare ReiBoot application. Let me know if you guys have got any questions regarding this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.